The Senate substitute for Senate Bills 279, 139, and 345 consist of a number of provisions that mirror the Missouri Stands for the Unborn Act, sometimes referred to as the Heartbeat Bill or House Bill 126. Its major component is a series of protections that are nested that would respectively protect unborn children at 8 weeks, 14 weeks, and 20 weeks gestation. These landmarks correspond respectively for the period of pregnancy in which a baby has a heartbeat, in which unborn children are aborted through a brutal procedure known as dismemberment abortion, and the period in pregnancy at which unborn children have definitively been shown to feel pain. If any one of these prohibitions is found by a court not to be valid, for instance, the 8-week ban, then the other provisions would still apply. Many of the subdivisions found in this bill involve findings of fact and state interests in protecting the unborn. These provisions are here because in the most recent abortion decision, Hellerstedt v. Whole Women's Health, and even going back to Roe, the Supreme Court has sometimes found laws lacking because legislative findings justifying the laws were not present. We're not making that mistake in this bill. This bill represents a number of specific pro-life bills. It consists of the Heartbeat Bill, also known as the Missouri Stands for the Unborn Act, sponsored by the senator from the 15th and the House bill being handled by the senator from the 15th. I was the sponsor of the Pain-Capable Unborn Child Protection Act. In previous years, the senator from Cape Girardeau has handled that bill. This year, my co-sponsor for that bill is the senator from Barton. It also contains the trigger bill that would hold that if Roe versus Wade is overturned, or if a constitutional amendment to the United States Constitution was passed to protect innocent life, that all children would be protected under Missouri law. The bill also contains Senate Bill 279, sponsored by the senator from Callaway, that would hold that when women are referred out of state for abortions, that those women be provided the same informed consent information as women who have abortions in Missouri. It also includes a ban on Down syndrome and race and sex selective abortions. This section is sponsored in the House by Representative Dogan, and in previous years has been sponsored by the senator from Barry. There is also the parental notification section that has been sponsored by the senator from Johnson. There is a malpractice insurance section requiring that physicians performing abortion have medical malpractice insurance, $1 million per occurrence, $3 million in the aggregate. There is also the Born Alive Abortion Survivors Act, sponsored by the senator from the 20th. And there is the requirement that there are other provisions from House Bill 126, the Missouri Stands for the Unborn Act.